Sanibona bafethu uvane lo so igame elandelayo Orlando Pirates bayodlala iSoweto Derby against iKaizer Chiefs. Kuzobe kuyigame kwabafethu le emnandi indlela eyisimanga because the other team ifuna irevenge and bafighter ukuthi ke bakwazi ukuthi ke bayothola ibhola lase-Africa le-CAF Confed noma ke babe unumber 2 and the other team is fighting to push iMamelodi Sundowns ba remain on top babe number 1. So Orlando Pirates ifuna Betway and the Kaizer Chiefs they want the CAF Champions League spot lapha number 2. So le game le izokubaleka kakhulu. Mathemo 2 afuna ukuyiwina le game. Niyayazi ke bafethu Soweto Derby unpredictable. So mina ngokwami ngizoshayela na prediction. Ungayigxeke yami ngitshele nje wena yakho kuma comments uthi ke ungabaqalisa kanjani abadlali beOrlando Pirates. Mina ke based on ama games engiyabukile Kaizer Chiefs so far they are playing ibhola elikahle abajida banayo confidence and ngiyibonile iKaizer Chiefs idlala kanjani and ngizobheka nendlela Orlando Pirates edlala ngayo so far. So this is my lineup Orlando Pirates. Epalini ngizoqalisa bani na? Ngizoqalisa uSipho Chain. Sipho Chain is the only goalkeeper engizomqalisa kule game le. So umjida ke uyena mina ngokwami odeserve ukuthi ke ayiqale le game le. Yabo. So epalini siyayazi clean sheet yonke esidingayo. Last game umjida wakwazi ukuthi ke ayigcine i-clean sheet. Na kule game ke iyona into esiyidingayo Sipho Chain. Yabo. We have to keep more clean sheets ukuze sizokwazi ukube sibe ne-goal difference right against the Mamelodi Sundowns. Mase kuthi ke the center back pairing bafethu nyayazi yona center back pairing so far esakwazi ukuthi ke isinikeze ama clean sheets ku Betway Premiership. So uSibisi with uCM Mova abajita I trust them to deliver the job just like they did the last game we played. Yabo abajita bayawazi umsebenzi kumele bawenze lapha emuva. Mase kuthi ke kuma wingbacks bafethu nyalwazi ke udaba lama wingbacks akusiyona into esingaloku siyela le nale. Sibelebele umjida usethathele yandawo le wayenza kwabe yakhe. Yabo abadlali abaningi abadlala kwi right back position abajida ke ukancane ukuthi balithole ithuba kule Soweto Derby because uSibelebele he was very good in the last Soweto Derby. In kulama games esathanda kwadlala umjida he was very good. So I start him lapha kwi right wing back position. I trust umjida ukuthi ke a deliver again on another game. I trust ukuthi ke Orlando Pirates iyazi ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs ayinawo ama wingers amaningi yangasinikeza inkinga because uSibelebele wakwazi ukuthi ke abaneutralize labo badlali labo same as ubanina uDion Hotto ngale. Yabo the only player ku Kaizer Chiefs engibona ukuthi ke angaba iwinger elihluphayo lo mfana lo abathi uVelibayi is a very good winger and I see uVelibayi edala inkinga eziningi but ke I trust uSibelebele to deliver in the right wing back position. So this is my back four so far. Ungangitshela ke yona ngokwakho iback four yakho ingaba njani but ke iyona back four le esisebenzelayo esitholela all 3 points. Masukuthi ke lapha ku number 6 position. Ku number 6 position futhi ke nakhona nyalwazi udaba iKaizer Chiefs mina ngokwami kule game le iKaizer Chiefs iyazi vele ama strengths ayo and iyawazi and ama weaknesses wayo. Yabo ama strengths eKaizer Chiefs bayakwazi ukuthi ke badlale ibhola more centrally. They have players like aboMabowe, they have players like aboNdlovu, they have players like aboMthethwa, they have players like aboNgcobo. Those players they know how to play ibhola more centrally. Yabo so iKaizer Chiefs ingasilimaza kakhulu more centrally. So ifocus yami kule game le Orlando Pirates imele yenze sure ukuthi ke ifocus more centrally and ibeke abadlali abaningi more central because if we approach le game le nge-double pivots sizolimala lapho. Reason why ngisho njalo is because they know vele Orlando Pirates izo approach le game nge-double pivot, so they will place abadlali abanjengoMabowe, abadlali abanjengoNgcobo and abadlali abanjengoMthethwa lapha eswini. Bazokwazi ke babe more creative and bazokwazi ke baqine. UMabowe uqinile and uMthethwa uqinile same as uNdlovu uqinile. Yabo abadlali abakanjalo bayazi ukuthi ke i-midfield kumele ibe njani. So mina ngokwami kubalekile ukuba nomdlalo onjengobani Makehleni Makhawula in this game esoyidlala against the Kaizer Chiefs. In that number 6 position I'll start with Makehleni Makhawula. Masukuthi ke abadlali abazodlala phambi kwakhe ubani na Makehleni Makhawula ngizoqalisa bani na ngizoqalisa uTalente Mbatha as a number 8. Talente Mbatha umjida uzowenza umsebenzi omuhle kakhulu lapha ukuthi ke akwazi ukuthi ayicommand midfield akwazi ukuthi ke adlale kahle. Yabo adlale kahle umjida adlalise with ama teammates wakhe. iKaizer Chiefs kumele sengisho ukuthi ke siyayigcina esiswini, siyigcine esiswini and give i-freedom kuma-wingbacks wethu because ama-wingbacks wethu azosebenzisa le space esikhona la ukuthi-ke aye phezulu abuye ashone ezansi, aye phezulu abuye ashone ezansi. I know very well ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs ayinawo ama-wingers anganikeza i-Orlando Pirates inkinga. Njengoba ingenawo ama-wingers anganikeza i-Orlando Pirates inkinga, this gives these players zokuba nina uDion Hoto and uSibelebele i-freedom yokuthi-ke bakwazi ukuthi-ke bayicindezele i-Kaizer Chiefs i-defend deep, yabo. So ngokwami mina this is the perfect way ukuthi-ke si-approach le game le. Ngidlalisa uMfukeng lapha nabafethu. uMfukeng for me umjida kumele abe more central because if we take uMfukeng abe more wide, this will give i-Kaizer Chiefs i-chance ukuthi-ke ikwazi imcindezele and futhi nakhona simfake khona esiswini uMfukeng. The more simfake esiswini uMfukeng is where lapha i-Kaizer Chiefs izoba ne-pressure yokuthi-ke iyoma because I know very very well bazoplanela yena ukuthi umjida bamthulise. Once bamthulisa, there are players abazokwazi ukuthi-ke babe creative for Orlando Pirates. Ingakho ngamfakanga on that number 10 position kakhulu, ngithe ukumehlisa kancane. I know very well uzokwazi ukuthi adlalisane with a player uzodlala unumber 10 walokho beshintshisana. Ngakho ngifake ibani na ku number 10 position. You might say number 10 particularly, you might say it's a center forward position. Ngifake ibani na Osuna Police uyakwazi ukudrifta inside. If you've watched Orlando Pirates indlela edlala ngakhona, they know how to drift inside. Abajita bayakwazi ke badlalisane benobani Osuna Police. So I trust very well ukuthi-ke bazokwazi ba connect, bakwazi basize team ikore more goals. So this is the midfield engayiqalisa mina, 4 players in the middle. Abajita bawu4 ngibathembile ukuthi-ke bakwazi ukuthi benze i-team idlale kahle lapha esiswini, yabo. Sekuthi phambili-ke kuzoba khona nabani na, kuzoba khona uMbuthuma with uTshepo Moremi. Mbuthuma with uTshepo Moremi, these players ibona abazocommanda phambili, ibona abazocreate ama-chances for i-team, ibona abazokora more goals for i-team, yabo. I trust uTshepo Moremi ukuthi-ke adlalisana with uMbuthuma because you know very well ukuthi uMbuthuma is not a striker okwazi ukuyicreatela ama-chances. So having a player like uTshepo Moremi up front uzokwazi ukuthi amsize umjida amcreatela ama-chances akwazi akore against the Kaizer Chiefs, yabo. So ngokwami this is the lineup I would line up for iSoweto derby, yabo. Mhlambe komunye umuntu angangixeka asho kwakhe but-ke ngingathanda ukuzwa uvo lwakho. Mina-ke ngokwami Miss Defender singadropha deep ukuthi uMakhehleni Makhawula edropha sibe yi-3, yabo. Bathathe move abe wide Siyema, abe wide nobani na noSibisi, adrophe ubani uMakhehleni Makhawula, adrophe ubani na uMbatha, adlale ezi-6 mase kuthi uMfukeng bani na Osuna Police, yabo. Angaza understand but ngokwami this is the lineup I would prefer. Ngingajabula ukuzwa wena i-lineup yakho ukuthi-ke ungayisetha kanjani ahead of the game lesiyidlala against the Kaizer Chiefs, yabo.